So today we're getting ready for a little quiz. It's called the Unit 5 L1 to L4 review. And you're supposed to know things like these absolute value bars. Do you know what the shape of the graph is? It's like a letter of the alphabet. Which letter is it? Come on, participate. It won't kill you. It's a V. Good. So it's a V shape, and this means it's been moved which way? Some people still get their left, right, and up, down confused. Is this left and right, or is this up and down? It's left, right. And in this particular case, is it right or left? Right 4. So would you agree that it could be started as a V shape that's moved over 4 spots like that? Except there's a negative in front. What does that do? Vertically flips it. So it's a vertical on the outside. The stuff on the inside is horizontal on the inside. So that's a vertical flip. So then it looks like that. That's what your graph would look like. But what if you had to get exact points, which you do on some of these? Well then, I have told you to pick points strategically. Like, don't just go -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 for everything. On this problem, 4 would have been the smart thing to start with. Think about why. Do you get how if you put a 4 in there, that it would make the inside of it 0? So you put in a 4, and then you get a 0, and then it's the absolute value of 0, which is still 0, and then it's -0, which is still 0. So once you pick 4 as a good starting place, then pick like 5 and 6, maybe one less than 4, like 3. Would you just, to make sure you're still with me here, figure out what point do you get when you stick in a 3 and a 5 and a 6 into this equation? So if you're going to put a 3 in, some people are still just staring at the screen, which makes me nervous. If you put a 3 in, it goes there. Then you got 3 minus 4. And then you take the absolute value of that. And then you put the negative on it. Who had 3 -1? Raise your hand if you did. Good, you did it right. Ian, did you put in 5 yet?
Yes.
And what did you get?
1.
Again? Yes, that happens all the time. And that's not like breaking the law of functions, because they're different inputs. 3 and 5 are different inputs, so you can have the same output. Okay, and last but not least is the 6. And that 6 right there goes in, and you got 6 minus 4 makes 2. Absolute value is still 2, and then it's -2. And if I actually graph these, here's where 4, 0 is. Here's where 3, -1 is. Here's where 5, -1 is. And here's where 6, -2 is. Look at those blue dots. They're right where I expected them. Okay. Make sense? Carl?
When's our test?
This is just a quiz because we're like halfway through. You'd be surprised. I kind of thought the test would be arriving quicker than this too. But it's actually like, I don't think it even comes by Friday of this week. I think we're going to go into early next week. So, that's all I have for you for today, because it's just this review quiz, which we will do, and then grade in the second half of class. And if you have corrections to do, then we can do that then. All right, that's all I got for the video for today.